Pistachios are rich in antioxidants, essential for good health. They protect cells, reducing the risk of diseases like cancer. Compared to other nuts, pistachios have a higher antioxidant content, including lutein and zeaxanthin, crucial for eye health. These antioxidants shield the eyes from blue light damage and age-related vision issues. Pistachios are high in fiber, which supports your gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria. These bacteria transform the fiber into short-chain fatty acids, providing various health benefits, such as reducing the risk of digestive disorders, cancer, and heart disease. Pistachios may contribute to lower blood cholesterol and improved blood pressure, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. The richness of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in pistachios can aid in decreasing LDL cholesterol levels, which in turn may lessen the risk of heart disease. Despite being higher in carbs compared to other nuts, pistachios have a low glycemic index, which prevents significant blood sugar spikes. They may help lower fasting blood sugar and improve insulin resistance in individuals with type 2 diabetes and pre-diabetes. Pistachios are rich in vitamin B6, which is vital for various bodily functions. This nutrient supports the development of the fetus's brain and nervous system during pregnancy. It helps regulate blood sugar and is essential for the production of hemoglobin, the molecule responsible for transporting oxygen in red blood cells. Pistachios are rich in manganese, which is essential for bone health, metabolism, and antioxidant activity. It aids in the formation of connective tissues and plays a role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, amino acids, and cholesterol.